Starting in Guangzhou, China, Dade used technology as the driving force to make packaging more intelligent, effective, and forward-thinking. Great virtue, broad impact, excellence in action. Craftsmanship inheritance. Since its establishment, Dade has been deeply involved in the field of packaging machinery for more than 20 years. From the initial traditional mechanical manufacturing to today's intelligent and automated production lines, we have always adhered to the spirit of craftsmanship and polished every piece of equipment. As a leader in the domestic packaging equipment industry, we deeply understand that technological innovation is the core driving force for enterprise development. We are committed to deeply integrating cutting-edge technology with customer needs and have successfully obtained multiple patents. We have also passed authoritative certifications such as SGS, Made in China, and CE certification for equipment. Nowadays, Dade has grown into a high-tech company that combines the design, R&D, production, and sales of automatic packaging equipment. With the help of the local government and a leap of strength and self-invention, we undertook a new upgrade and transformation in 2023, establishing a 35,000 square meter intelligent modern equipment industrial park with over 100 employees and an R&D team of over 25 persons. Dade Brands packaging equipment has been sold in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and others, with a marketing network covering more than 100 countries and regions around the world. Innovation-driven. Over a decade ago, facing a complete technological blockade on pod machines by Western countries, Dade courageously took on the responsibility. The project was initiated in 2008 and put into production in 2012. Through independent R&D and manufacturing, Dade successfully broke through the technological barriers imposed by Western nations, achieving the localization of pod machine production in China. Under the blueprint of Industry 4.0, Dade is continuously aiming for intelligent transformation at a never-before-seen pace. We integrate cutting-edge technologies such as the Internet of Things, SU-AI visual inspection, and cloud-based collaborative control to provide customers with end-to-end services, from single machines to fully intelligent packaging systems for entire factories. From the packaging machine production workshop to the flexible packaging bags workshop and the PVA water soluble film workshop, stepping into Dade machinery, you will be amazed by the technological prowess on display. Through integrated and streamlined production, Dade continues to enhance both capacity and quality, securing a leading position in the field of technological innovation. Global service. The success of Dade is inseparable from the trust and support of our global customers. We are committed to being market and customer-oriented, continuously improving and refining our product range to build a comprehensive one-stop platform for packaging machinery. We strive to enhance pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales services, with our products widely applied across industries such as food, pharmaceuticals, daily chemicals, and more. We provide efficient and stable packaging solutions for numerous renowned enterprises worldwide. Future pioneer. Standing at a new historical starting point, Dade will always uphold the core values of integrity, pragmatism, progress, and win-win, adhere to the development philosophy of innovation, vigilance, and proactive planning, continue to deepen technology, optimize services, and promote sustainable development. We are committed to creating China's highest quality intelligent packaging equipment and ushering in a new era of intelligent packaging with the power of innovation. Pooling industry wisdom, harnessing innovation, Dade is committed to forging a national brand. Together, we empower the packaging industry to soar and create a brighter future.